Good morning, children. This is A. Ishwar, TGT, Social Studies in Lotus High School. Dear children, previously you have studied about solar system. Do you know, children, how many planets in the solar system? Yes, 8 planets in the solar system. Which is the nearest planet to the solar system? Yes, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Among the all planets, which is known as a blue planet in the solar system? Yes, Earth. Earth is a blue planet in the solar system. It is also known as a unique planet also. Today we can discuss about our homeland is Earth. So, what is the structure of the Earth? We can discuss today. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. It is undergoing changes inside and outside of the Earth. Today we are discuss what is Earth made up of, what is the structure of the Earth's inside, what are the layers of the Earth. We can discuss about the interior of the Earth. See the children, here one picture is displayed. The Earth is divided into 4 layers. Just like an onion, see, it is very familiar with us in our home. We have observed inside of the onion several layers were observed. Just like onion, the Earth is made up of several layers with one inside another. So here picture is there. The Earth is divided into 4 layers. They are called the crust, mantle and core. The core is again divided into 2 parts, inner core and outer core. See here picture is displayed, which is the topmost layer, the crust, Earth's crust. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called crust. It is the thinnest layer of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers in the continental mass and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floor. The crust is the crust of the Earth, which is similar to the skin on an apple, made up of both continental and oceanic crust. Earth's crust contain silica and alumina are the main minerals in the crust layer. So it is called Seol. Si means silica, Al means alumina. So combination of the Si plus Al, which is known as a Seol. Si plus Al. Si means silica, Al means alumina. So this layer is also known as a Seol. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. Therefore, it is also known as a SiMa. Si plus Ma. Si stands for silica, Ma stands for magnesium. So the combination of Si plus Ma is known as a SiMa. So here the oceanic crust contains silica and magnesium, so it is called as a SiMa. Children, see here picture is displayed. Through this picture we have to answer few questions. How many layers consist of the Earth's interior? Yes, 4 layers. Which is the top layer of the Earth? Yes, the crust is a topmost layer. Between the crust and core, which layer is a found? Yes, the mantle. Mantle is a between crust and core. See the children, the red color is a indicated to which layer? Yes, mantle. What are the subdivisions of the core? Yes, 2 subdivisions of the core, inner core and outer core. Good. Do you know, children, the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometers deep. In search for oil, engineers have dug a hole about 6 kilometers deep. See the children, already we have discussed the crust, the mantle. Now we are going to learn about mantle, core. Core is divided into 2 parts, outer core and inner core. Here the orange color is indicates outer core, a red color is indicated to the inner core. Innermost layer is the core. It is depth is about 3500 kilometers. It is the mainly made up of nickel and iron. So it is called Nife. So based on the availability of the minerals in core, so which is known as a Nife. Ni stands for nickel. Fe stands for ferrous. The combination of nickel and ferrous is known as a Nife. The outer core mainly made up of iron and nickel, which is a easy to magnetize it. So this layer is a look like a liquid portion. The outer core's depth about 1400 miles or 2250 kilometers. The outer core's temperature is 4000 to 9000 degrees Fahrenheit. Inner core, which is made up of iron. The inner core is has solid portion of the earth. It is a most extremely dense. The inner core's depth is 800 miles or 1200 kilometers. So the inner core's temperature is 9000 degrees Fahrenheit. Do you know, children, the structure of the earth? Crust, mantle and the core. The crust forms only 1% of the volume of earth. 84% of consists of the mantle and 15% makes the core. The radius of the earth is 6371 kilometers. Children, today we are discussed the layers of the earth. They are crust, mantle and core. The crust is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It is a thinnest layer of all the layers. It is about 35 kilometers on the continental mass and only 5 kilometers on the oceanic layer. It contains silica and alumina are the main minerals in the crust layer. So it is called as a Seol, Si plus Ma. Si stands for silica, Ma stands for Al stands for alumina. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. Therefore it is called as a Sima. Si means silica, Ma means magnesium. So the second layer is a mantle. Just beneath the earth crust is known as a mantle. It is extends up to a depth of the 2900 kilometers below the earth crust.